Hello guys, this is Yardel from Jordan Shaving. How are you? This is video number 75. I'm very proud of myself so far. What we achieved. So, what we have today is the Yaqi Bohemia. I already did a video on it, but in Hebrew, now in English. So, Yaqi Bohemia, I got it from Yaqi. And it's based on the ancient Bohem razor, which is no longer in product. So it has a base plate that can be put in two sides, 1 and 2, number 2. So when number 2 is up, it's more aggressive. We'll go for the less aggressive this time. Number 1 up. And we load it with Champion blade. Bought it back in the days when I bought samples. It says Champion Swiss quality. Platinum. Probably made in Pakistan. I don't remember. Never mind. The way to load it is to put it on the base plate and then put the top cap on and close the handle. So it's an open comb, pretty heavy, has a hole in the handle for a stand, and it's quite aggressive. I've already used it a few times. It's quite aggressive, and together with the weight, you need to be very careful with the beast. And the head is huge, not so easy to go under the nose and so on, but we'll manage. The soap today is sample from Van Yulay, Pirate's Cove. The smell is like fruity, I don't know exactly what, but it's very nice. So I just took like half or third of the sample and put it here on a Yaqi bowl. And we have the Yaqi Caramel synthetic brush. I got it by mistake, because I wanted the stand, Yaqi stand, and I ordered by mistake, not from Yaqi official store. And the seller sent me this one. I don't complain. I told him that, and he said we will refund. I said no, you can send me again the stand, and they said no, you can refund and then order the stand. And I said I don't want a refund because I did get something that it's quite good. It's not cheap as well, so I'm okay with that. So, the aftershave will be Axe Dark Temptation. It's taking forever to finish, but we'll do another chance today. Another try to finish. Okay, so I'll start by wetting the brush and the face. That's 36 hours from the previous shave. I think it can be seen. My last shave was with aggressive razor, so yesterday I didn't feel like I really need a shave. And for the Bohemia, I think it's okay to give it a try with 36 hours or more. So I think even the small amount of soap that I put is a lot. Anyways, I'm loading the brush and going over to my face. The brush is very nice. I think the The synthetic hair is like, I think it's cat whiskers, so it's like the Starry Night, Yaqi Starry Night. Very, very nice. Has a little bit more backbone than some others of Yaqi synthetic. Probably feels more like badger stone. Feels quite good. The smell is very good of the soap. Very good. If you tried Yulay soap or you want to try, just write me in the comments because I have a few samples. If you want me to do a video with one of them, just tell me. I know you don't know what I have, and I know that Yulay has hundreds of flavors or scents. Not flavors, but they often feel like it's going to taste good, but it's a soap, don't taste it. So if you want me to use something special because you're thinking about buying that, you can just tell me. Maybe I have it. Have you tried my soap? Mediterranean breeze, my idea. Still Yulay, but I came up with the idea and I'm proud of it because it's good. Okay, let's start. Need to be careful because it doesn't look aggressive, except that it's huge, but it is aggressive. Yeah, definitely some blade feel. But it's still smooth. The blade itself is good, quite good. I don't remember how expensive it was years ago. But the blade is good. You can see it can still go under the nose quite well. You need to take your time with this one. Don't run on autopilot. And still, if you want a closer shave, you can just flip the head. Not the head. The base plate. We will see for the second pass if we want to go more aggressive or not. As you can hear, I have another bowl just with water. can still smell the soap, of course, and sweet and fruity, like exotic fruits. I need to check out what Cove means. Yeah. Although there is a blade feel, shave wasn't so smooth until now. So we'll try to go more aggressive. I'll just open it. I'll flip the head. So the side you see, it says 1, is not what you are using. Compared to the Rockwell and maybe others, it can be confusing. So you better know that if you're going to buy it. Since not all the soap turned into or went into the brush, I'll just try to lather it some more. And because I've already did one pass, I don't want to lather on the face, since they will be more sensitive right now, the face. Quite a lot of lather. I didn't add soap. Just what I put in the bowl, and it wasn't much. Tons of lather. So with each order, Monica puts some free samples, and free sample, which is good for 2 or 3 or 4 shaves. And if you order from Yulay, you get free sample, which is very nice. It's not like, I don't know, I didn't weigh it, but it's good for a few shaves. Like I'm using right now about 1/3 of the amount. I can use the same amount, like twice more. I would say if you already got soaps from Yulay and you order more, maybe you could say which samples you already have or what you have already tried, if you don't want to have duplicates. So now it feels a lot smoother because we've already removed most of the hair. Although it's supposed to be more aggressive. This is why in the second pass I always go more aggressive if it's an adjustable, not less aggressive, because I think I'm not doing cross or against, so what help would it be to use the same direction, less sensitive, less aggressive? Yeah. Try to go exactly under the nose. No, it's still possible even though it's big. Yeah. Few nicks, but they have been there before, so it's not from this razor. I think. Yeah, I almost didn't feel the blade at all on the second pass, although it's supposed to be more aggressive. Maybe I need to do like one side number one, one side number two. But what I can say is, altogether, no, it's really close. Better than before. Yeah, close enough. Okay, guys. This is enough for today. I wish you all a happy weekend. Still have a lot of lather. Next time I'll put less soap. Just from third of a sample. Thank you again, Monica. Okay. It's dry and put some aftershave splash. I use Axe when I want some gentle scent, because it's pretty strong but not sophisticated. Like, okay, that's a good smell. I like it. It's very nice. Good for all weather, all moods. I don't know why it's called Dark Temptation, but it's like a little bit like sweet, but still very strong. Thank you very much for watching me. I hope you enjoyed. Tell me what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And tell me what you think. Tell me about the Yulay soap. I still have a lot of samples back there. Tell me if you want me to use something in a video. I will do it if I have. And see you next time. Bye bye. Happy weekend, everybody. Bye bye.